Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Rust on Windows operating system and write our very first Rust program. So let's get started. So the first step to install Rust is to navigate to your browser and search install Rust. Now find the search result saying install Rust, which is provided by the official Rust website, and click on it. Now, as you can see, it's already telling us that we are running Windows operating system, and also it has provided us with two options to install Rust. One is for 32-bit systems and second one is for 64-bit systems. I will be using the 64-bit installation as I am using a 64-bit machine. Click on the download button. It will install an exe file on your system for installing Rust. When the download is completed, please open the exe file and you will see this command prompt being opened. It shows three installation options. First is proceed with standard installation, second is customize installation, and third one is cancel installation. For now, I will proceed with the standard installation. So I will type 1 and press enter. It will start the installation process and it will take some time to get installed. So now Rust has been installed on the system. Now let's quickly confirm that the Rust is successfully installed or not. Open a new command prompt and type the command rustc version. Press enter. If you are seeing this rustc version on your screen, then congratulations, you have successfully installed Rust. Now let's check whether the latest version is installed or not. Enter the command rust update and press enter. So yes, we have the latest version installed on this system. Now let's move forward with writing our very first Rust program. Open VS Code on your system and make sure you have created a different folder for storing all the Rust programs. I have already created a folder named Rust Programming and I am inside that folder on my VS Code. Now let's create another folder for our first Rust program. Open the terminal inside your VS Code by pressing the Ctrl plus tilde button and type in the command mkdir hello_world and press enter. This command will create a folder named hello world inside the Rust programming folder. As you can see, a folder named hello world has been created. Now let's get inside this hello world folder. On the terminal, type the command cd hello_world and press enter. Now we are inside the hello world folder. Now let's create an empty file named main.rs. On the terminal, type the command echo main.rs and press enter. I don't want to supply the values, so I will press enter. Now a file named main.rs has been created. Let's open that file and write our first Rust program. Here we have defined a function named main. The main function is a special function that always runs first in every executable Rust program. Here the first line declares a function named main that has no parameters and returns nothing. If there were any parameters, they would go inside the parentheses. Next, the function body is wrapped in curly brackets. Rust requires curly brackets around all the function bodies. Now let's write some more code. type the println and inside that hello world, and semicolon. This line is used to print the text hello world on the screen. The two important points to note here are Rust uses 4 spaces for indentation, not a tab. And the second is that println calls a macro. If it has called a function, then there would be no exclamation mark after that println. We will discuss more about Rust macros in later videos. For now, just keep in mind that using an exclamation mark means that you are calling a macro and not a function. Now let's test our program. Before running a Rust program, we must compile it using the Rust compiler by entering the rustc command. So let's type rustc main.rs. Now let's see if our program has been successfully compiled or not. Type ls command and press enter. As you can see, there are 3 files. One is main.rs, which we have created, and we call it the source code file. Second is main file, which is binary executable file, and third one is main.pdb file, which contains the debugging information. Now our program has been successfully compiled, so let's run our program. Type /main.exe and press enter. So congratulations guys, we have successfully written and run our first Rust program. So that was all for this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.